So today we're in my kitchen to solve a very large problem. I don't have a paper towel holder. So I think today I'm going to 3D print myself a holder. My plan is to mount it here, maybe like this. Kind of have it. Wait, I can make it clip on! Oh, shoot! Shoot! But one problem is I have that I'm renting, so I can't really put any nails or anything fancy. So I think my plan is to take this and clip it like that. You know, if I could actually model 3D hands that look like this, I probably would, but I think it's a little above me currently. So now I kind of have to decide how big I want to make everything. It looks like inch cylinder for this will work. And then if I have it drop down, like, I think I'm gonna need at least 3 inches of clearance. Yeah, so I'm basically gonna build an L bracket here, L drop here, thing for the thing. Boom, boom, easy. Easy as pie. So I printed out the parts and they look pretty good, but one thing I didn't think about is that I need to add tolerance. So the hole for this is 1 inch and the dowel is 1 inch, so they don't slide together super easily because they're exact. Yeah. So I'm gonna use a heat gun and open this bit up a teeny bit. You might have also noticed that I printed this in 2 parts. This is because my printer can only print 11 inches high and I need a 13-inch rod, so I'm gonna glue these together. For comparison, you can see I opened this one just up a teeny bit. And now these pop in like that. Perfect. I'm just gonna use super glue. So surprisingly, this works pretty well, but I kind of hate it because it's so awkwardly close to you, and I really want it like here more. So I think what I'm gonna do is what I should have done before and use command hook to stick this up. Sorry. Like that maybe? Ooh, or maybe I want it over here. I've changed my mind, I want it above the sink. Carefully place it. I'm gonna go with here. Usable, practical, solves my world's biggest problem.